In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Instagram to Facebook. So you can do this by using your Facebook application or your Instagram application. So I will simply use Instagram application as it is much convenient to do so. So on your Instagram application's main interface, you have to tap on your profile, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on your profile, you have to tap on the three horizontal lines which are present at the top right corner of your screen. Now in your settings and activity, you have to tap on account center. In account center, the very first option is of profiles, so you have to tap on that. Now in profiles, you have to tap on add accounts. Once you tap on add accounts, you have to select your add Facebook account as you're already on your Instagram account. So you have to tap on add Facebook account. But if you're using your Facebook account to connect your Instagram account, then you should tap on add Instagram account on your Facebook application. So for now, I will tap on add Facebook account. Now it will automatically detect your Facebook account and ask you whether this is the account that you want to connect. So if this isn't the account, you can tap on not you, but in my case, it is the account which I want to link, so I will tap on continue. Now it will ask you which is your birthday, so just select any of these options and tap on continue. Finally, tap on allow and finish adding. So now as you can see, by doing this, I have easily connected my Instagram to my Facebook application. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.